So I hope you're doing well today. Welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. Well, today I'm going to make, it's kind of late in the day. I should have started this way earlier. I'm going to make my own, I got an organic chicken that was marked down because it was a sell by date. And it's 6 pounds. I'm going to make my own chicken stock. And I haven't made one in a very long time. I'm going to do it on the stove. I could do it in the Instant Pot, but I might do the carcass in the Instant Pot. Anyway, I'm just going to do a simple chicken stock because I might make a homemade chicken soup out of it, or a chicken gumbo, a light gumbo, kind of like a soup gumbo, not really dark and thick. But I'm going to make this into 2 videos. But first we're going to do the chicken stock, and I've never made a video doing this, but I like to add certain flavors just like everybody else, so I thought I would share. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if I seem a little all over the place, it's because I am. I have Christmas decorations all over that I have not finished yet. And I didn't even start my tree yet because I was thinking about doing a video, but then I get nervous about doing a video. I think I'm going crazy, but anyway, thank you all for watching, and let's get started. Everything I'm going to put besides the seasonings. Now, I don't have any fresh thyme. I have some fresh rosemary, but it might be a little too woody. It's quite old. But this is my chicken. And I didn't tell you the price. I got it for $4.13. It was marked for $11, I think. But this is 2 yellow onions, and this is about, and I peeled everything because I'm going to take this chicken and debone it when it gets tender enough to use in my soup or my gumbo, or to freeze, whatever, because it's, anyway, I'm going to make something out of the meat. And then I may do another bone broth if I have enough chicken bone carcass left in the Instant Pot. I want to test that. I've never done that, and I might bring you along, but it will be a test for me because I've never done that before. But this is a lot of, this is about I don't know, I forgot, I'm so sorry. It's about 6 garlic cloves, and I peeled them, and I peeled my onions, and I didn't peel my carrots, but this is 2 carrots. I don't want an extremely strong carrot taste, but I do like carrots. And especially if I make soup, I'll add extra. This is the inner parts of the celery. My favorite part, I love to eat this too, are the leaves. So I just got this. So let's move to the stove, and we got to get this thing boiling. Kind of see what I'm doing, and I have some water. I don't know if it's enough water, but I'm using filtered water. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this all in the pot. Now I'm going to wash my hands before I touch my phone. And I'm just going to throw this in. And, oh, and I forgot to say, this is just a tiny piece of ginger. Ella doesn't like ginger, but I want just a little touch of it in the stock. And of course, you know we love garlic. And I find it easier to prep all my things on one of these big pans. And I like to prep my things in advance, and that way I can just throw everything in the pot. That's why I don't show you guys too much of my prepping, because that's 2 yellow onions we're going to throw in here. It's going to be so good. And you probably only need 1 onion. I'm going to put my carrots. Okay, let me wash my hands real quick. Okay, move this out of the way, and then I'm going to move you closer to the pot. Hold on a second. So here's the pot. This is an old stock pot, and I don't know the size of it. We've been having this, and it's pretty cheap. It's one of the thin ones. So let's go ahead and put the burner on the highest setting because I got to get busy. I don't know why. Sometimes I'll wait late to start my video. It's just a thing I do that's not very good because I should be making like 2 a day. I'm going to need more water than that. And it depends on how much stock you want to make also. Yeah, I'm going to put more water because I want to have a little extra stock too. And I'm going to, I was debating on putting fresh ground pepper or peppercorns. I know everybody puts peppercorns, so I'm going to put peppercorns. I love these tricolored melange. Anyway, I like I have some fancy ones in the other room. Let's put, we like pepper. Let's just put, as much as it's up to you really how much pepper you want. That's probably too much. And I'm going to add a little ground thyme. And I would add rosemary, guys, but we don't care for it too much. I'm going to put just a little bit of thyme. And I'm also going to salt my broth because I usually buy it salted. and I like it salted. Sorry about my arm. So let's add some more water. So let me fill up my pitcher and I'll be right back. Pitcher, I'm going to add some more water. Now, this would be way faster in the Instant Pot, but my Instant Pot's only a 6 quart, so I wouldn't be able to add as much water as I would. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. This time I'm lazy, I'm going to use the faucet. It's okay, it's just a little chlorinated, but it's fine. You don't have to use filtered water. Alright, that looks good. And I want to have a little extra because I used, and I'm going to just put it in, I don't have a pressure canner, so I won't be pressure canning it, but I will put it in the refrigerator or freezer because I use, probably in the refrigerator in a jar because I use lots and lots of chicken stock. So I'm going to put the lid on here, and if I forgot something important, please leave it in the comments because, you know, I love a lot of flavor. Oh, you know what? I forgot to add my little bit of Cajun seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of this too. I mean, you know we love it, so I'm going to season it up with this. Oh yeah. That's going to be so good. So, I haven't done this in years, so we'll see how long it takes. But it's going to be good. I'm going to just put the lid on to let it get hot faster. So, I'll be back. I do want to film the gumbo. Even though I've made a chicken and sausage gumbo before, I've never used a whole chicken and homemade chicken stock in my recipe before, so that's why I want to make another video because this one's a little different with the dark meat and the homemade chicken stock. I want to compare the differences and see if we like this one better. Crazy, so I want to make something else. Oh, I'm trying to think of what's the name. Anyway, I'll be back. Let's get the tripod stuff right. I'm boiling this about an hour and a half, and it's already falling apart. I don't want it to fall apart too much, but. And I made my vegetables big so I can maybe just use a strainer inside the pot instead of having to strain it to another bowl. But I'm going to see what happens. But I'm going to put it on this pan, let it cool, and then I'm going to debone it. And then I'm going to strain the chicken stock and decide how much I want to use for the gumbo and how much I want to use later. My 2 strainers, and I put this all in here, and I'll probably take that out, but I'm going to take some of this stock out and put it in, I don't know if I'm going to put it in a mason jar or container, but I'm not going to use all of it for one recipe. I'm going to make 2 recipes out of it. And I know you can reuse these vegetables, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. But anyway, that'll be another video. So let me finish this after I bone the chicken and I'll show you what it's like. And I'm kind of in a hurry, but I'm going to just put it in this metal bowl and then put some in the fridge and let it cool and then get some of the fat off. But it looks beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. It's going to make a delicious soup. It's going to make a delicious gumbo. So I don't want to make a pot this big of gumbo. For one reason, we can't eat that much, and I don't have a lot of freezer space because gumbo freezes really well. So I'm going to pour out. You might be able to use 3 recipes with this. I made quite a lot. That's why I use this pot. Let's see. I think that's it. That's going to be... I'm so excited. I haven't made this in so long. My dog smells it too. So I just want you to see, look how rich it looks. It's pretty color for just boiling about an hour and a half. And we're taking the meat off the bones with the chicken now. So I'm going to get started on the next recipe. But I want to finish this video some kind of way. Ella's going to help me. Okay, here's the end result. Now, I remember I said that about the cork. Let me show it to you. It's like, it's pretty much, it's done its job. So I won't be saving this for another Instant Pot video. I'll do that next time I get a rotisserie chicken or something like that. But here's I saved a tiny bit of meat for our dog, sorry. And this is our meat. I don't know if I'm going to use all of it in the gumbo, but probably so. I like it really meaty. And here's my beautiful stock. I'm so proud of it. I'm going to let this cool, put it in the refrigerator, and then we'll scrape the fat off tomorrow. Now this pot, the gumbo pot, we're going to leave just a little bit of fat on there. So let me turn the camera around so I can talk to you guys. My chicken stock video. I hope you enjoyed it. just show it the way we do it. And it's next I'm going to film the gumbo, but I wanted to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more delicious recipes and videos. And happy holidays, and I'll see you next time. Bye.